Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and making sure you're in the right profile. This matters because history can be tied to different accounts. Once done, use the menu at the top right or press Ctrl+H on Windows or CMD+Y on Mac to open history. This is the fastest first step. Make sure to choose whether you need local browser history or your Google My Activity, because one shows only device data and the other includes sync searches. Once the history page is open, you'll use the search box to narrow results by keyword, domain, or full URL. This is faster than scrolling. If you need a specific time, click the menu and pick a predefined range or set custom dates to reduce noise. Make sure to check tabs from other devices, if you sync Chrome, because relevant pages may be on a phone or tablet. This helps you recover sessions that weren't opened on the current machine. To finish, select single items or use clear browsing data to remove a date range. Choose what to delete carefully, because this affects passwords and cookies if selected. If you want to keep a record, copy links manually, or use a third-party tool to export, since Chrome doesn't offer a native export button. If you can't find expected items, make sure sync is on, you're signed into the correct Google account, and you've set the right date range. Those 3 checks fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.